A close look at how to stabilize a very unstabilized video on iMovie on your macOS. So I have got one video over here. I'll tap on play and then you can see it's not very stable. There's some shaking, and then the video, since it was shot with the hand, you can see here it's not very stable and the video keeps on moving and keeps on shaking. So let me show you a quick setting that will automatically fix this for us. So, and then it's by far the easiest I have found, and it comes with iMovie, so you don't need to download anything. So once you have added your video to your project timeline, just go over the top bar over here, so where you can see different options here, and then we'll tap on the this video icon which has option for stabilize Shaky video. So let me tap this on, and then it might take some time to process, and then you can increase the stabilization percentage as well. So let me show you here how it looks like. So this is the stabilized video. It doesn't look that bad as before. And then let's have a look without the stabilization, so we will know the difference. Let me play it again. So you can see here, okay, if I click on the stabilize option, okay, let's try it again. You see this difference here. So this is it, one of the easiest setting that automatically stabilizes our video and then saves us from reshooting the video again or doing the video again. This is it. You can see how shaky the video is. Let me turn this on, and it's very smooth. I can increase the percentage here or decrease it. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.